Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda CBR500R, a bike that's redefining the sport bike experience for enthusiasts worldwide. Is this the ultimate beginner to intermediate bike? Before we dive into the exciting features of the 2025 Honda CBR500R, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Info Master. Let's get started. Design. Starting with the design, the CBR500R carries a sharp, aggressive look inspired by Honda's racing DNA. Its sleek fairing, LED headlights, and aerodynamic build make it not just visually stunning but also practical for high-speed performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda CBR500R boasts a liquid-cooled 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. Delivering a smooth 47 horsepower, it offers a perfect balance of power and control for both city rides and highways. Technology and features. The CBR500R comes equipped with advanced features like an LCD instrument cluster, Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and ABS for enhanced safety and control. The slipper clutch adds to the riding comfort during downshifts. Rider experience. Whether you're commuting or hitting the twisty roads, this bike offers a comfortable ride with its adjustable suspension and ergonomic seating position. With a fuel tank capacity of 17.1 liters, it's great for long rides. Pricing. The 2025 Honda CBR500R is expected to hit showrooms with a price tag of around $7,200, making it an excellent value for its features. So, is the 2025 Honda CBR500R worth your attention? Absolutely. With its sporty design, reliable performance, and tech-packed features, it's a great pick for riders of all levels. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Auto Info Master for more detailed reviews on the latest motorcycles and cars. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.